Let's start this match in 3, 2, 1, go.
Alrighty, and we're in a qualification match number 12 over in the red lines. Looks like 3683 goes to the middle of the field, tries to grab a cue, but misses it. 1360 trying to engage on that charge station for the red lines. On the blue alliance, we have 4946 engaging on that charge station. It looks like they may not have got the engage in time, and we're into tele-operated mode. Immediately, 3683 races to the middle field, grabs that cube they missed, and goes and scores it. And racing back to the middle field to grab some more game pieces. 7558 has a cone in their intake over back on the Blue Alliance's community. Finding a place to score that. Looks like going for a high note. Completing a link for the Blue Alliance. Over on the Red Alliance, they're racing back over to the human player station. 3683 with a cone in their intake. Racing back over their community with that cone. 1360 just scored a cone on the low note of the Blue Alliance, or the Red Alliance, sorry. Looks like they're trying to grab a cone off the ground. On the Blue Alliance, we have 1511 with a cone in their intake, racing back over to their community. Reaching up high and grabbing a high node to score that on. 7558 joining them, scoring on a middle node. 4946 over in the Blue Alliance has a cone in their intake as well. Looks like they're lining up to go score that cone over on the high node. Over on the Red Alliance, looks like we have 3683 jumping over their charge station and racing back over their human player community. All three red robots are over in the human player grabbing game pieces and racing back over their community. 1310 grabbing a cube over from the Red Alliance community. Red Alliance human player station, sorry. And on the Blue Alliance, we have 4946. They have a cone in their intake. They're finding a place to line up with that cone. Currently, the scores are 96 for the Red Alliance, 111 for the Blue Alliance, with 45 seconds left in the match. Over on the Red Alliance, we have 1310 with a cone in their intake, racing back over to the Red Alliance community to find a place to score that. Well, 3683, their alliance partner, races back to their human player station to grab another game piece. And we're into the end game. Looks like over on the Red Alliance, they're still trying to score as many game pieces as possible. 1310 lining up on that charge station with 1360, trying to get engaged with two robots for the Red Alliance. Over on the Blue Alliance, looks like 4946 lining up to get engaged on that charge station along with 7558, their alliance partner. 3683 is racing across the field, getting a few last minute scores in. And that is time. We have two robots engaged in the Red Alliance, two engaged in the Blue Alliance with unofficial scores of 119 for the Red Alliance, 149 for the Blue Alliance, but we'll get your official scores in just a moment. And the scores are in. Let's take a look. And that match goes to the Blue Alliance with a score of 169 to 141. On the Blue Alliance, they grab 4 ranking points, allowing 7558 to move up to rank in second rank. That was a great match just happened. We'll be moving on to qualification match number 13 in just a moment.